Okay children, let's do the next exercise. This is going to be very interesting as well as this is going to be very informative, and you're going to do the one different exercise. So far we haven't seen a lot of exercise, but this exercise will going to make you very different. Okay, let's see what is the different exercise is this. Okay, listen. Circle the correct spelling. We want to circle the correct spelling. If you want a correct spelling, you want to pronounce it correctly. If you want a correct spelling, then you want a correct pronunciation. If you do a correct pronunciation, then you can get the correct spelling. Okay, for not further to delay, we can move to the exercise. Let's go for the first one. What is this? This is a blackboard. No, here two set of word was given. One is you have to pronounce it B-A-D, bird, beard, beard, or B-O-A-R-D, board, board, beard or board. You have to tell me the correct answer. If you are not getting the correct spelling, you can tell me the picture name loud. Board. You're getting O sound, isn't it? Okay, O, where is O? Here O or here is O? Yes, here is a O. You get a O sound from here. So, shall I put a circle? Okay, shall I put a circle here? Very nice. Okay, circle it. Okay, let's move to the next exercise picture. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is human brain, isn't it? Brain. Brain. Here two set of word was given. This is B-R-A-I-N and here B-R-E-I-N. Brain or brain. You are getting a nice sound. You are getting a loud sound, isn't it? Brain. You want a correct spelling for brain. This is a brain, and if you here E was given, then it will become brain, not a brain. It's a brain. Okay, so the B-R-A-I-N will be the correct answer. Shows, shall I circle this? Okay, B-R-A-I-N. You're getting a sound, so only I just circle this one. Okay, okay, let's move to this one. What is this? Yes, of course, this is a tree, isn't it? You're getting a long E sound. Tree. Okay, listen it carefully. There are two set of word was given. One set of word is T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E, tree. And here the another set of word T-R-A-E. Tree. This is a tree. You are getting a E sound longer. Where is the E sound longer? In this word is longer pronunciation will come, or else in this word you are getting a E longer pronunciation. Where will you get the longer pronunciation? Yes, here you are going to get a longer E pronunciation. So, shall I circle this? Yes, this is a correct spelling for tree. If you put this means, then it will become a tray. Not a tray, it's a tree. Not a tree, it's a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Okay, okay, let's move to this picture. Look at this picture, what she is doing. Yes, she is screaming, isn't it? She is screaming. I don't know whether she was seen any ghost or I don't know that, but she is scream, isn't it? Okay, just find out the correct word. Here the two set of word was given, and the first set of word is S-C-R-A-I-M, and the second set of word is S-C-R-E-A-M. Okay, you are going to find out the correct spelling. What is the spelling for scream? Scream. Okay, if you not get the correct spelling, then you can tell me loudly the word scream. Okay, you are getting a scream. You're getting a E and A sound, isn't it? You're getting a E and A sound. Scream. Okay, E-A. scream. So this is a correct spelling. So I'm going to make a circle. If you put this means, then this is not a spelling, correct spelling for scream. It's a scream. You're getting I sound, no? Scream. Okay. Not a scream. It's actually scream. Okay. Okay. Let's do the next exercise. This is a, what is this? She's a maid. Okay, she's having a mop in hand and she's having a bucket on other hand. She wears a gloves. Then she's a maid. Okay, tell me loudly, maid, maid. Okay, here two set word was given. Listen it carefully. The first set of word is M E A D. Then next set of word is M A I D. Okay, you are going to find out which word gives you the correct spelling or correct pronunciation of maid. Okay, if you don't know, just okay, don't worry, I'm going to help you. Okay, if you put circle here, that is, if you think this is a correct spelling, just check it whether this is a correct spelling or not. Not E, A-D, maid, maid, maid. You have getting a may-ad, not a may-ad, maid, M-A-M-I-D, maid. Okay, this is a correct spelling. Okay, and one more thing, children. If you have more than 3 words, if you got more than 3 words, you can divide it into 2. Okay, you can divide it into 2 and then you can write the spelling. If you divide it into 2, then you can write the spelling correctly. Okay, and also very interestingly, you can get the actual spelling for the actual word. Okay, let's go to this picture. She's playing golf, isn't it? Golf, or what she is playing? She is playing a golf, but she is putting a goal. Okay, this is what is this? This is a gold net, isn't it? Okay, this is a goal. Okay, you are getting a O sound, but here two set of word was given. First set is G-O-A-L, and the second set word is G-E-A-L. Okay, the first word is goal. This is a geel. Okay, if you have a 4 word, you can divide it into 2, then you can read it, means you can pronounce it correctly. This is a geel. It's not a geel, it's a goal. You're having a O sound. Okay, shall I circle here? Very good. Now you are getting correctly. Okay, let's move to the next picture. Okay, this is a shoe, but what is this? Your mother and your sister, isn't it? You will wear so much of heel shoes or heel chapel, isn't it? Yes, what is this? This is a heel. Okay, has two set of word was given. Let's check it out, which is going to be the correct spelling. And the first set of word is H-E-E-L, heel. And the second word is H-A-E-L, and this is a, what is the correct spell or pronunciation of heel? Heel, heel. But if you put A, then it will become a hell, hell, because so no, hell, hell. It's not a hell, it's a heel. Okay, the long E sound. So shall I put a circle here? Very nice. So I'm going to make a circle here. Okay, let's look at this picture. He is sleeping, isn't it? He is sleeping, but he is dreaming. I think he dreams on Spider-Man or Avengers. I don't know what he is dreaming, but we are going to find out the correct spelling for dream. Okay, here two set of word was given. Let's see what are the two set of word. D-R-E-A-M. No, I'm not going to tell. If I will tell, then you will find it out. I'm just going to read the spelling. Okay, this is a D-R-I-E-M. Okay, actual pronunciation of this action is dream, dream. You're getting a two vowel sound continuously. Find it out which is. having a two vowel sound. If you not, I'm not giving a clue. You have to read it out carefully. Here also two continuous vowel was given, and here also two continuous vowel was given. What is the actual vowel is continuously coming? Just pronounce it loudly. If you're not getting the answer, just open your mouth and tell me dream, dream, dream. Yes, this is going to be very critical, because if sometimes E sound, then we will put I also, okay. But dream, you are getting a sound little bit longer, not a E. Okay, this is a short A sound. This is a long A sound. So D-R-E-A-M, dream is a correct answer. Okay, children. Okay, listen it carefully. Board, board. You're getting a O sound. Tree, tree. You're getting a E longer sound. This is a brain. You're getting a sound. Brain. And this is a scream. Not a scream. Scream. You're getting a R-E-A. Scream. This is a maid. A-I. Maid. Maid. Okay. And this is goal. Goal. Okay. G-O-A-L. Goal. And this is heel. Heel. Okay. Double E was given. And this is dream. Dream. Isn't it? E-A. You're getting a E-A sound. Okay. If you don't get a correct spelling, then no, don't worry. You just tell me the picture name loudly. Then you can get the actual spelling. Okay, children. Let's move to the next very interesting exercise.